360 robot vacuum cleaner. Lidar slam intelligently perceives the surroundings, cleaning brood planned by AI. Intelligently build a map to view the cleaning path in real time. 1,800 Pascal super strong vacuum. Cleaning mopping combo. Infrared detection. No dead zone around all corners. Identify obstacles to slow down automatically. Intelligent cliff identification to prevent damage from the drop. Super obstacle climb. Cross the environment obstruction. Intelligent recognition of carpets. Automatically increase suction. No need to carry. Just a click to start spot cleaning. Follow the instruction resolutely. App-defined off-limit area. Automatic docking and recharging. And resume cleaning tasks when power is full.